Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're going to take a look today at our EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad and learn how to create a folder within the Study Center. Let's go to the desktop, and you can see when I click on the Study Center, it opens it over here. Now, if I want to create a folder, in the top right-hand corner, you can see what looks like a folder icon with a plus on it. That is our folder creation icon button. So let's click on it. And you'll notice down the bottom here, it says new folder with the little tooltip handles on it. Let's type in there test2 and then hit return. Now we have a folder created. But you say, okay, test2 is not the name of the folder that I want it to be. Let's change that to hope. Well, there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can long click and it will pop up and you can click edit, or you can swipe in from the edge and tap edit. And when it does that, it reselects it, and then I can retitle that folder. Now, when I create the folder and retitle it, you'll notice that it's dropped to the very top. So here it is up here. Now, if I want to delete or move this folder, I can do it the same method like re-editing. I just long click and I can move it. And if I move it, I can select what folder I may want to drop it into, say a subfolder. Maybe it's Hope within the Bible, so I'll tap on Bible. It will move the Hope element down into Bible. And you'll notice now that Hope folder is right there. So if you want to delete the folder, all you need to do is long click on it, pop up here, tap delete. Be careful if you're fast swiping from right to left, because it can delete it just by swiping it like that. So that's the second method of deleting a folder. And so they're the methods of creating, editing, moving, and deleting a folder in the EGW Writings 2 app.